When sneaking a drink goes wrong.
Why'd you take the paper off?
I always take the paper off.
Carter. So what the paper at? Cause why would you even drink that?
Who is this? Who is this?
And you didn't even try to read it.
It's sour.
It's liquor.
Oh!
Cause why would you drink it?
I'm gonna die.
You not, but why would you drink it?
I'm gonna die.
Carter, it's not liquor. It's not liquor. It's not liquor. It's not. Carter. Shut up. Look, it's lemon juice. It's lemon juice. That's what you get for drinking stuff and not paying attention. Crazy tail self.